They're integrated inside the School of Medicine, which opens up tremendous opportunities for interprofessional learning, the simulation like you see behind us, just providing more of a hands-on, authentic training experience, which is what we're trying to get with all our graduates.
We get to use real-world equipment that we would use on road with QAS. Like, it's all the same stuff, exactly the same as on road.
We cap all our cohorts at 50, so enabling our sessionals and our lecturers to be able to spend more time with our students with the really advanced skills involved in this medicine degree now.
The quality of the paramedics that come in and teach us and lecture to us, it's really high and we learn a lot from them. So being taught to be more of an international scope of practice rather than just a statewide scope of practice, which will really benefit us when we look for jobs.